Everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm going to show you how to write a program to count number of words in a sentence. Suppose I have a sentence of my name is Saurav Kumar and I am a BTech student. Okay. So I want to know how many words this sentence contains. So we need to find that here you can see this is the first, second, third, fourth, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and 11. 11 words we have in this sentence. So how to do that? I'm going to show you. So let's start with that. First, we need to include a library that is studio.h. Studio.h is to use to perform all the input and output operation in C. And we need to write this main method because within this main method we can write the code which will be executed. Okay, so first what we need is we need a variable where we can store the string. In C we need to create a character array. So we need to just name string A and the size of this will be 100, and after that asking for user to enter string. Okay. After that, when user will enter, we need to store that value into this string. So how to do that? For that, you just need to write get s, and after that, just type the character array name. Now the value is stored into this. And now what we need is we need to traverse from starting to end. Okay. So how to do that? For that, we need to just write code for and I equals 0 and I no I actually we need to write this stra I does not equals this 0. Okay, so why this is, let me just show you, and we were just implementing. So let me just show you how actually this is working, this line. Okay, so suppose our string array has this much of value. Okay, and we have the array index 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and so on. Suppose it's 30, so last is 30, and when this 30 index ends, in the remaining we have here you can see that the size of this is 100. In the remaining what value is there is nothing but slash 0. This value is there after this end of this. So we are checking that if string array and this value of I is changing continuously is not equal to this. When it's equal to that, then this loop will end, executing, stop its running. Okay, so now I hope you understand this. If you have any doubt, then just comment, don't worry about that. And after that, what we need is we need to how we can check that how many words in this sentence, how to do that. So just look at this sentence. Here you can see this, we have same number of spaces here. Okay, so we just need to increment count whenever we find this spaces. Let me just take a variable that is n count, and here you can see this. Now it's executing from start to end of this string. So let me just check that if stra of I equals space. So what we are checking for space, and if it matches, then count needs to be incremented. So we have an issue. When we write my name is Saurav, then it will show we have 3. Okay, so let me just show you. Suppose I am writing my name is Saurav. Here we have 4 words, but the count is 0 and it will search this first, 2 and 3. It will show only 3. That this sentence has 3 words. So we have to initialize this count with 1. And when you execute this, it will now Initially it has a 1 value. When this find this first space, it will increment it to 2, then this 3, then this 4. Here you can see this. Now we have 4 words in the sentence, and now we have the count. We need to print this out, so printf and %d, and after that just count. Let me just write number of words and sentences, and just execute it and see what happened. My name is Saurav. Here you can see this. We have 4. Let me just show you what happened when you initialize it to 0 and just execute it. I'm writing the same sentence. You can see this. Now it's showing 3, but we have 4. So make sure you initialize it with 1. And that's it for the today's video. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe to my YouTube channel and please hit the bell icon and stay tuned for more videos. Thanks.